Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Bitcoin from Uphold to an external wallet, a full, step-by-step guide for 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin out of Uphold for better security or more control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always handle crypto with care to avoid any mishaps. First things first, let's cover what you need. You'll require an active Uphold account with some Bitcoin in it, the wallet address of your external destination, like a hardware or software wallet, and two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. Got that? Great, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and locate your Bitcoin balance. It should be under the Assets or Crypto section. Step 2. Select your Bitcoin by clicking on it, then look for the Send or Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this. Typos can send your Bitcoin to the wrong place forever. Step 4. Next, input the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Keep an eye on the estimated network fees, which might be displayed. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Step 5. Review all the details carefully. Make sure the address, amount, and fees look correct, then hit Confirm. You may need to verify this through an email link or your 2FA app. Step 6. Once confirmed, sit back and wait. Transactions usually process in a few minutes, but it could take up to an hour depending on the Bitcoin network. A few quick tips to keep you safe. Always use a secure connection, never share your private keys, and consider the current market volatility before transferring. And that's it. You've successfully sent your Bitcoin. If this guide helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.